And this startup project is basically a very important project in which we are trying to find out how to create coatings which can bring down the temperatures inside the houses, inside the rooms, lower than what is there outside. This project is directly connected with the energy conservation, where we will use these coatings to apply inside the roofs or inside the walls, so that the outside temperature is reduced to a greater extent, and this will help in reducing the air conditioning cost and in general the electricity bill. To make a very simple demonstration of this thing, you can consider this as the roof, and this is the outside part of the roof from which the sunlight is coming from a infrared lamp like this, and this temperature is indicated in this thing which shows that outside temperature is around 57 degrees centigrade. And now we want to measure what is the temperature at the inside of the room, which is at the back of this thing. So there is another thermocouple which is measuring the temperature at the back, and you can see the temperature at the back is 33 degree. So there is almost a temperature loss of around 24 degrees centigrade, and which shows that this coating is really working onto that. Now the main project is not on white coating like this, where lots of solutions are available. The main purpose is to apply this kind of a principle on colored coatings, dark coatings, and each dark coating has a different kind of requirement. So in order to achieve that work, we have to modify these coatings by adding various kinds of anti-reflecting pigments which work for particular colors and don't work for other colors. So this whole project is basically to look for this kind of anti-reflecting pigments and their optimization to be added into the paint system, and then carrying out these various kinds of tests to measure the change in temperature.